Abtali Grammar School. Primary Mathematics 2nd Lesson Numbers 2000. Chapter number 1. Lecture number 1 plus 2. 69 Abtali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Today we are going to learn about counting in hundreds, tens and ones. We take block to count the ones number. Hey kids, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With these 10 blocks, we make one stake. We can say 10 blocks are equal to one stake. Actually, 10 ones make one 10. Now we learn how tens help us to make 100. We have to take 10 stakes to make 100. Keep in mind, one stake has 10 ones. Let's count the stakes with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With these 10 stakes, we make a big block of 100. The block of 100 has 10 rows and 10 columns. It means there are 10 horizontally and 10 vertically staked in 100 blocks. As you know, 10 multiplied 10 is equal to 100. So, 10 stakes of 10 is equal to 100. We can say there are 100 small blocks in 100. We write it in number as 100 and in words 100. Look at the big blocks of 100. Count it. 100, 200s. There are 200s. We write it in numbers 200 and in words 200. Now count with me how many blocks of 100. 100, 200, 300. Yes, there are 300. We write in number as 300 and in words 300. Let's count again the big block of 100. 100, 200, 300, 400. Yes, we write it in number 400 and in words 400. Count again the blocks of 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Yes, there are 500 blocks. In numbers, we write it 500 and in words 500s. I hope you understand the concept of 100 block. Now, learn about how many blocks are there. Count with me how many hundreds. 100, 200. Let's count the separate blocks of ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ones are there? Yes, there are 5 ones. Now, count on ones from 200s. 200, 201, 202, 203, 204, 205. Look at these numbers. The numbers are 200, 201, 202, 203, 204, 205. Do you know which number is the right answer? Yes, the number 205 is the right answer. So we circle the number 205. Now look at the next example. Count the hundreds. 100, 200, 300s. Yes, there are 300s. Count the stakes. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many stakes are there? Yes, there are 4 stakes. Now count on in tens from 300. 300, 310, 320, 330, 340. Look at these numbers. There are 300, 310, 320, 330, 340, 350. Which number is the right answer? Yes, it's number 340. So we circle the number 340. Let's count the next example. Count the 100, 100, 200. Count the stakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 stakes in tens. It means 6 multiplied by 10 is equal to 60. Now count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there are 5 ones. Now count on tens and ones from 200. 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 261, 262, 263, 264, 265. What is the number? 265. It means we have 265 blocks. Which number is equal to the blocks? Yes, the number 265 is equal to the blocks. So 265 is the right answer and we circle it. Now we will be learning about place value. Now the question is in your mind, what is place value? The answer is that place value is the basis of our entire number system. A place value system is one in which the position or digit in a number determines its values. In easy words, place value is the value of each digit in a number. Now, I explain the place value with this example. What is the value of each digit in 753? We put the numbers in 100, tens and ones table. 7 is in hundreds, 5 in tens and 3 in ones. We can say 753 has 7 hundreds, 5 tens and 3 ones. Now we write the value of each digit in numbers as 700 plus 50. It means 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 50 plus 3. The value of digit 7 is 700. The value of digit 5 is 50. And the value of digit 3 is 3. We write it in words as 753. Now do more practice of place values. Look at the example. What is the value of each digit in 136? 1 is in 100 place, 3 is in tens place, and 6 is in ones place. Count the 100. We have only 100, 3 tens and 6 ones. Now look at the one big block of 100. We have 100. Now count the stakes. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 stakes, means 30 blocks. Count the separate blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 ones. So we can say we have 136 blocks in total. We write it in words as 136. Let's do more practice of place value. The next example is, what is the value of each digit in 342? Count with me the hundreds block. 1, 2, 3. Yes, there are 3 hundreds. Now count the stakes. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 tens, mean 40 blocks. Now count the ones number. 1, 2. Yes, there are only 2 ones. So we have the number 342. We can say we have 342 blocks in total. We write it in words as 342. I hope you understand the concept of place values. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Abdali Grammar School Official, 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore.